So that Facebook Live keeps dying on me, and I know I can record on my phone, and it's not going to quit until I hit stop. Effingham, Illinois, I'm at the Roadway Inn, and yeah, tornado warning. It has been a tornado warning for... It's a tornado warning up to 10 p.m. Actually, that's what it said earlier. When it first came out and there was nothing, I mean, a little bit of sun was coming through the clouds when they issued that, but it's definitely not what it was looking like when the warning came out hours ago. Nice lightning keeps peeking through all those heavy clouds, and so much for really enjoying a quick drive back to Colorado. This has got to be the longest trip I have ever had, traveling from the East Coast to the West Coast. I can do that in 2 days. I'm already 4 days. Okay. That's Marion's phone telling me emergency alert. And it says, National Weather Service, tornado warning in the area until 6:45 p.m. Take shelter now in a basement or in an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Check media. All right, so I guess that means we have to turn the news on. Oh, what a day. Thank God for my IPTV. Fox News. Yeah, that's not going to be good. Favorites. Oh, that's nasty out there. Fox weather, Fox weather. Okay, I guess Fox weather. Nope, we're on a commercial. Okay, well, I guess I will end this, and when it starts doing something, I'll go back to record. All right. Pray for me. Bye.